How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to yet another video. So y'all just saw me cut a little groove in a scrap piece of wood to illustrate what if you need to put a perfectly sized spline down into that groove. How would you do it? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it real easy. I'm going to be using some scrap wood just to demonstrate that purpose. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer to the table saw and go from there. To start off, I'm going to be creating two equal strips of wood, so I will be cutting, ripping, whatever, these down the length of the saw blade here. And if you happen to notice this recess, just ignore that. That has absolutely nothing to do with this method. Again, just a piece of scrap wood. Now that we have two equal width pieces of wood, this one is going to slide right past the blade. This one we're going to butt up to that piece and start cutting through. And what that's going to do is that's going to cut off a blade width all the way down. Now, not all the way down. We're going to go roughly half to 3/4 of the way down the wood and stop from there. Okay, so now we're going to cut, I'm sorry, not cut, we're going to take this piece, we're going to get this just right, flip it over, and get it right about there. Then this piece, or whichever one you want to make your little splines on, is going to butt up against that part where you stopped. And then we're going to cut just a little bit in for there to make our spline. Now all we have to do is cut that off and you have your spline. Alright, for me I just cut that off with the bandsaw real quick off camera. But yeah, now you have your spline. Here's the kerf cut we made earlier. Moment of truth. Look at there, slides right on in. Perfect fit. Alright everybody, so that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video coming out. At least I think it's going to be the next video. I will be making a very special box, at least to me, that will be using the mitered joints with these splines in there to reinforce the box. So that is the purpose for this. I had to make sure it was going to work. So anyway, thank you very much and catch y'all in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.